Smiling. It lets them know you're their friend. You're Big Mike, right? Well, I'm Sean.
What's he wearing? What's his name again?
Big Mike.
You have any place to stay tonight? Don't you dare lie to me. Come on.
It's mine?
Yes, sir. What?
Never had one before.
Want a room to yourself?
I bet.
Honey, you're changing that boy's life.
He's changing.
Mike, we have something to do. We'd like to become your legal guardian. What's that mean?
What it means is that we want to know if you would like to become part of this family.
I'm glad I already was.